In TouchDesigner, there's a simple way to create this metaball mesh, converting text to points, blending them with the Metaball SOP, and passing through a proximity pop to build the mesh. If you're completely new to TouchDesigner, just comment "Guide" to receive an interactive starter kit with everything you need to learn about the program. Now let's dive in. For the inputs, I used 5 text tops for the letters T, O, U, C, and H, all set to white with slightly different font sizes to get richer variations. These all feed into a switch top. To drive the animation, I hooked up an LFO chop set to pulse, running into a count chop that cycles through the index to loop the letters. Next, I downsampled the image using a resolution top set to just 12 pixels. This plugs into a top to pop to turn pixels into points. I filtered the empty space with a delete pop and added some life with a noise pop driven by abstime.seconds on the z-axis. I brought those points back into SOPs. I used a Metaball SOP and combined it with the points using a copy SOP. To smooth it all out, I ran it through a convert SOP and a subdivide SOP with a depth of 3. Now for the cool wireframe logic. I pulled that mesh back into pops, randomized the order with a sort pop, and prepped the points with a convert pop. The secret sauce here is the proximity pop. This generates those heavy mesh lines between nearby points. I colored it using a lookup texture linked to a noise top. Applied a quick transform and sent it to the first geometry comp. I duplicated that entire branch, scaled it up slightly for depth, and sent it to a second geometry. The ground is just a simple tube pop with a metallic PBR material. I used camera viewport tool and a simple render setup with 3 lights with soft shadows, and blue, and orange. Finally, for the post FX, I used a level top to boost the gamma and brightness, then composited everything over a dark circular ramp. Perfect. I built this interactive guide to break down the core concepts of TouchDesigner, so you can nail your first project from scratch. It features step-by-step videos and concrete explanations, so you truly understand the software. Comment guide and I'll send you the starter kit.